one of my main question is how to scale this algorithm, and we kind of wrote it in an all-purpose fashion, and all-purpose is nice, but all-purpose does not scale. So that's really what I'm focusing on, trying to understand how we can learn structures we can know or we can learn from the system, to how to exploit them and put them in order to be able to tackle more and more complex systems. So with more degrees of freedom, so more parameters than what we are currently doing. And of course, I'm also very interested in having some collaborations with people that care about, actual problem that's for which this method is actually solving something for them, as it's really what gives you the idea of what's next